Hello, if you're watching this video today, you may have recently faced some very unforeseen circumstances. Maybe you've lost your job, maybe you've just been furloughed. Now hopefully you go back, but if not, the question becomes, what do you do with your old 401k? Now there's many things to take into consideration. One important aspect are fees. Many different investment platforms and investment options have various fee structures, so make sure you understand those fee structures before you make the plunge. But first of all, at a very basic level, I would encourage you, take your money with you. This is your money. This is your hard-earned money. And yes, maybe your employers have contributed and matched your contributions along the way, but the bottom line is, take your money with you. I mean, think of it as you buying your first home, right? Well, you buy that first starter home, and then down the road, you have a family, you buy a larger home. You don't leave the furniture behind, you take the furniture with you. So when you move, make sure you take your money with you as well. A couple of things I want to point out when it comes to 401ks and other options such as IRAs. Most 401ks, or many 401ks, offer loan provisions. So if you foresee the need for short-term cash or the need for a loan in the near future, then you may want to stay in the 401k world due to those loan provisions, and check with your plan sponsor to make sure that they offer those loans. And if you want to stay in the 401k world, but yet you're changing employers, you found a new job, you can always roll that old 401k into the new 401k, assuming they do accept rollovers. Now, what may be possibly a better choice, and everyone's situation is unique, is the idea of an IRA, an individual retirement account. If you're no longer employed or you separate from service, you are eligible to roll over to an IRA. One of the beautiful things of an IRA is the unlimited investment choices. Now maybe you've been following a stock throughout all this that's done extremely well, and you'd like to have exposure to that company. In an IRA, you can have that type of exposure. You can buy individual stocks, you can buy individual bonds or mutual funds. Typically in the 401k world, you have a very, very short, limited list of investment options available to you. So if you're looking for more flexibility or even more control over your money, you may consider rolling to an IRA. If you're interested in professional guidance, I would encourage you to give us a call and take advantage of one of our complimentary consultations. It's 1 hour, completely complimentary. Give us a call. It's 812-288-9000. Again, that's 812-288-9000. Visit us online at brookstonefinancial.com, and I also encourage you to like us on Facebook. And if you have a friend or family member that you feel that could benefit from this information, make sure to tag them below. Well, we look forward to seeing you soon here at Brookstone Financial. Hello everybody, Seth Stewart from Brookstone Financial. This is the best fixed rate you're going to find in town. 5 years at 3.8%, but guess what folks? It's expiring. So all accounts, all applications must be received by July 20th to be eligible to receive 5 years fixed at 3.8%. Check us out, Brookstone Financial. We're conveniently located at 2213 Allison Lane, just next to the side entrance of Jeffersonville High School. Like us on Facebook or check us out online at brookstonefinancial.com, and we look forward to seeing you soon.